but the goal needs to be supported by the milestones. So if I'm going to do 4 deals in 2025, then the milestones would be 1 deal in Q1, 1 deal in Q2, 1 deal in Q3, 1 deal in Q4. Here's how your goals should look, okay? We're going to set the goal. Now, the goal can be $100,000. It can be $1 million. It can be 4 properties. It can be 4 loans closed. It can be 4 notes purchased, whatever. The goal can be anything you want it to be, but the goal needs to be supported by the milestones. So if I'm going to do 4 deals in 2025, then the milestones would be 1 deal in Q1, 1 deal in Q2, 1 deal in Q3, 1 deal in Q4. Those are the milestones. Now we got to look at the tasks. What are the things that I need to do in the 90 days that make up each quarter of 2025? And then we just back into them. Now, the way we back into them is through what we call key performance indicators, or KPIs. Now, these are the core areas of business that maximize your success. So you make a list of the core areas your business needs to operate successfully. And once you have your list, you rank the items of the list in the order of importance of your business. And we follow things like rules, like the rule of 56. For those who went through our broker training, we refer to this as a rule of 54, okay? But notice the rules, and these are what make up, again, going back to this, the KPIs are what make up the tasks, okay? The tasks establish the milestones. So here are the tasks. We're going to drop mail, we're going to make phone calls, we're going to attend network events, we're going to write offers. And if we're brokering, we're going to drop mail pieces, we're going to put out social, we're going to make phone calls, we're going to attend network events, and we're going to write 4 LOIs. Hey, here's how much I can lend you. Here's how much it's going to cost. For those of you that are coming to us through our income notes program, you're going to follow the same rule of 56. We're going to mail, we're going to make phone calls, we're going to attend networking events, and we're going to write 4 offers to people who hold notes and want to sell those notes. Again, these are the tasks that feed up to the milestones that feed up to the annualized goal.